Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one. We're gonna bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, Drake, and Popcaan have done it again. Now there's even talk that Alkaline is planning to cancel the release of the Top Prize project. Seeing the failing sales of Intense, viewers and subscribers, not even 30 copies sold first week, while Popcaan and the Fixed State project has re-entered the US current reggae albums charts at number 4 with an additional 71 copies sold. Now viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, Popcaan, and Drake have something big in store. Now I'm going to take a look on something and then we're going to reason some more.
I say all of you sound to the fullest, man. You know the fucking thing a boy violating and bullet in them eyelash and them nostril. You know boy can't this the sixth god nowhere upon the earth, you fuck.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now let's get into the reasoning. Clearly, something big is in the works where dancehall and OVO music is concerned. Now, first week sales, despite heavy promotion, and I mean extensively promoted, Intense album has flopped. 20 copies sold first week. When King of the Dancehall was released, viewers and subscribers, it sold 2,000 copies its first week and peaked at number 2 on the charts same week. An easy achievement. And now them know. When Kingston's Story was released, viewers and subscribers, it sold 1,000 copies its first week. Now to date, Popcaan has sold 1,349 copies in the United States. Just in the United States. Now, we know some people are going to say, but the Drake feature and the Party Next Door feature, truth be told, that do a whole heap for the project, no doubt. But when we say sales in the US, keep in mind, Jamaicans, Caribbean fans of dancehall who reside in North America are the ones purchasing the music. So if you now put out good song, if you now put out good music, there will be no unit sales. Nobody watch YouTube views. Nobody watch who trending, because who trending, they will sell 30 copy. And my phone even asks, Skillibeng sell up in the 40s. So Skillibeng outsell him too. Sean Paul still hide him numbers. Maybe we'll talk about it a little more. But Sean Paul still hide theme numbers. Now what is to become of the Top Prize album that Alkaline claimed would be released soon and very soon? After seeing the sales of Intense, there's no wonder why the talk is they are now reconsidering if them to put out the project any at all. To date, none of the songs them put out from them first album, none of them get no plaque. There wasn't any big unit sales for the entire project, maybe for a single. I want to reach some of them artists, viewers and subscribers. They must pay more attention to marketing of the music, promoting the music, buying the views, and not actually focusing on the music itself. While Vybz Kartel, Popcaan, few other artists continue to give us high quality production level dancehall music. And this is clear proof, viewers and subscribers. Don't believe the hype. Yeah, and who promote the music the most, and who buy the most views, is actually about who put out the best music, who put out good music, who actually do the numbers, streams, sales. Now, viewers and subscribers, we can also take a look on what Jada Kingdom will have to say. Because something big developed with Jada Kingdom as well. She say our management team has stolen every dollar she has ever earned from music. And a lawsuit is being filed as we speak. May I make an hear what go on, and they will continue the reasoning.
Oh, why Jada career up, I pick up so sore. Why Jada career going in fucking circles? Like why this and why that? It's because of that fucked up fucking person. And it's because of that fucked up person's decision don't want to fucking reach nowhere. Burn a lot of fucking bridges. A whole heap of producer don't want to work with me because of that fucking person. Like, it's just really fuck up. And I'm not ask if my work. Guys, I live a studio. I have songs for days. Literally right now I sit down on over 10 hit songs. I not ask, but I not drop them because it's like, why am I gonna release music right now where I'm even not gonna get an offer? You understand? It don't make no fucking sense. Like it's stupid. So that's why I say I go wait. I not drop no music. If you mean I not drop the music this year, then I just not go drop the music until everything is settled. Like I'm really so upset and just annoyed, like so annoyed to see all of the hard work when I put in and all the shit when I do is literally like nothing. Sometimes if I not for uno, like when I come on live and vibe with her, post like a picture and comment and say, oh, love me rare boom boom, it's like that keep me fucking going. When I so now vibe to my music, that keep me fucking going. Like I swear, even though is you understand, nothing I really come out it for me personally is like must feel so overwhelmed with happiness. Like I feel so good when I vibe to my song them, cause it's like me I say, yo, literally if I never for Uno, like nothing would have fucking, this wouldn't be, there wouldn't be a Jada Kingdom, there wouldn't be a fucking Twinkle, this wouldn't fucking be. But I feel like I just been like too fucking humble, and people just like you, I take that for fucking granted, you understand? And I feel like I did blind because I only did I lean on to the family, we're a family and day one and ray. But no, it's you fake and you lie and you thief and you fuck up and you don't want to see me reach nowhere, you don't want to see me eat. Last year you watched me get evicted. You watched me get evicted last year, and I got asked me, oh it I got go while you were stealing from me, while you owe me so much fucking thousands of fucking dollars. That's different. Anything you buy for me is my money. You use to it and act as if you did it off of your own, as if you see my situation, you see my mother's situation, and you're stealing and lying and making me running in circles. I say I want to put out that video here, I want to do this, I can never do nothing my way. It's always the way how you want it, as if I'm like, as if you use a label. Now I realize all this fucking time you've been posing as my fucking label. No fucking wonder when deals come across a fucking table and all this shit, they're wondering what the fuck is really fucking going on. There's a lot of fucking so much things happening, and it's like, why? Like why me I go through this for what? And it's like, you're the reason. Honestly, I'm not even sad. I'm more angry than sad. I'm more angry because I'm angry. Like, I'm so angry, like angry. You understand me? You understand me? Angry? Yeah, you know what it feel like? You know what it feel like, see all these views and comments and fans going crazy I'm talking about 2 years ago. I almost
Definitely a sad situation that take place with Jada Kingdom viewers and subscribers. Now, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know how you feel. Popcorn, Vybz Kartel sales, and also the feeling sales of intense viewers and subscribers. I want to feel like I take place with Jada Kingdom. If I feel like, of course, her career can bounce back from this, and this is just another learning curve for her as an independent artist. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. You know all the support of viewers and subscribers, and I mean, until the reason again, well, first and foremost, you know our move settings, fam. I wouldn't need none of that. And my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.